My name's Dylan Roberts. I'm Head of Fisheries for the Game and Wildlife Conservation Trust and also Project Manager of the Samash project. If you're an angler, a scientist, a fishery manager, a manager who is involved with rivers, you can't help but notice over the last 20 to 30 years how the numbers of sea trout and salmon in our rivers have declined. There's been about a 70% decline in their populations over this period. One of the key elements of the Samash project is to gather new information on sea trout in the channel area. Sea trout, when they're juveniles, they head out to sea for feeding and growing before they mature and then return to the rivers to spawn. However, once they leave our rivers, we know very little about them. To ascertain this information, we are using novel tags developed over the last 20 years called data storage tags. These are tags that we insert into adult sea trout that have just spawned and are on their way back to sea. They will collect information on the ocean temperatures and on their swimming depths. We can then model this information and we can track their movements around the channel area. This type of information is key in terms of informing current management of sea trout. To do this work, we need to purchase the tags. The tags are very expensive. They're around about £300 each, and we aim to tag 300 sea trout during the project. Interreg Channel Programme, who are part funding Samash, will pay for 69% of the cost of these tags. That leaves a deficit of 31% that we need to find for each tag. Therefore, if you would like to make a real difference in informing the current management and policies and protecting our sea trout populations for future generations, then please donate this 31%. To donate, go to our website gwct.org.uk/sea trout.